Hey, what is up guys, this is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make the zoom effect in Camtasia with relatively ease, okay? So the zoom effect is very, it's very important. It's used in a lot of types of videos, and it can be used for whether you're emphasizing on a certain subject or if you want to just, show it up more clearer, right? The zoom feature works very well with that, and luckily in Camtasia we can do it, pretty easily. Alright, so I already have my video here and I attached it to track 1 over here, right? And what you want to do is go to animations, okay? And you can see over here, okay? You want to make sure you have the zoom and pan tab selected, alright? And let's say somewhere around here, I want to zoom in. Okay, I'll zoom in onto the track. So basically this video is just, a train going on its tracks. Alright, so let's say I'm here, and then from here I want to zoom in on the tracks. Alright, so you set your marker over here, and what you want to do is just zoom in. Okay, and obviously you can set where you want to zoom in. You can move it around over here. So let's say I want to zoom in 100% on this, let's do that, on the tracks over here. Alright, and you can see over here on the track, you see this icon here. Alright, let's go back a little, and now let's play it. You can see that it's zoomed in. Okay, so one thing we also want to do is obviously make it zoom out, because we don't want it to be zoomed in and then just zoomed in forever. Alright, so let's zoom out somewhere over here. Alright, so now over here all we can do is scale to fit, right? Or you can do you know manually zoom it to 100%. But yeah, so now you can see over here it's zoomed in. Right now if you press play, and once it reaches there it zooms out automatically. Alright, so another thing that you guys might want to do is basically elongate this, and that basically means how long it should take to zoom in. Alright, or in this case zoom out. So right here we're fully zoomed in, and now it's going to slowly zoom out. Once it reaches this end red dot over here, that means it's fully zoomed out. Alright, so that's basically it. It's really simple. It can be done in a couple seconds, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you like this video, make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.